Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to demystify one of the most useful features in Power BI, using round functions inside Power Query. If you've ever worked with numbers that have way too many decimals, or you just want your reports to look crisp and professional, mastering rounding is a must. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use rounding functions to clean up your data, making your dashboards both accurate and easy to read. Alright, let's not waste any time, let's jump right into Power BI. First, open up Power BI on your computer and load in the data you want to clean. Maybe it's sales data with a long stretch of decimal places, or perhaps you want to tidy up some percentage columns for a report. Once you've got your data open, head straight to the Home tab at the top of Power BI. The Home ribbon is your command center for a lot of the basic tasks in Power BI, things like saving, refreshing, and yes, transforming your data. Click on the Transform Data button. This launches Power Query, which is where all the real magic happens behind the scenes of Power BI. Now that we're inside Power Query, your dataset should show up in a grid view. This is where you can see all your columns and rows. Think of it like a supercharged Excel. If you look at your columns and spot a lot of messy decimal numbers that need cleaning, you're in the right place. From here, go over to the Add Column tab at the top menu. Here, why this step matters. When you use Add Column, instead of changing your original data directly, you're keeping your raw data safe and creating a new column with your rounded values. It's the data equivalent of working with a copy, so you can always go back if you need to. Next up, select the Custom Column option. This is where you get to write your rounding formula. It might sound intimidating, but don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. When you click Custom Column, a dialog box pops up. Here you can give your new column a meaningful name like rounded sales or clean percentage, whatever makes sense for your data. Now for the actual magic. In the formula box, you'll need to use a Power Query rounding function. For example, if you want to round a column called sales to 0 decimal places, you would use a formula like number, round sales 0. If you want 2 decimals, just change the 0 to 2, easy as that. There are other functions too, like number, round up if you always want to round up, or number, round down if you always want to err on the side of caution. Just pick the one that matches what you're trying to do. After writing your formula, hit OK and wait a moment. Power Query will add your custom column to the grid. Now's a good time to double-check that your formula works the way you expect. Scroll through your new column and see if the numbers are neat and tidy. For instance, if your original sales values were like 1,234.567, your new rounded column should show 1235 if you rounded to 0 decimals. If something looks off, don't worry, just go back into your custom column and tweak the formula until it matches what you need. Debugging formulas is common even for the pros, and that's pretty much it. You've just used round functions in Power Query to clean up your data, and your reports will now look more professional and easier to understand. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a quick thumbs up. It really helps the channel. If you have any questions or if you get stuck with a specific formula, drop a comment below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.